Am I the only one that didn't know building a gaming PC could be this cheap? Let's dive in. First, grab a budget-friendly CPU like the Ryzen 5 or Intel i3. Next, pair it with a compatible motherboard. For memory, 16 GB RAM is the sweet spot. Don't forget a solid-state drive for faster load times. Now the heart of your rig, a mid-range GPU like the GTX 1660 or RX 580. For power, a reliable 500W PSU will do. Finally, pop it all into a budget case, and there you have it. An affordable gaming PC that'll handle most games with ease. Happy gaming, everyone.